Ever wondered why some people seem to lose their wealth faster than they earn it? Some people go from riches to rags seemingly overnight. It's not always about bad luck. Often, it's about unseen traps and silent decisions that erode wealth faster than you can imagine. In this video, I'll unveil the key habits and strategies that successful individuals use to preserve and grow their wealth. You'll learn practical steps to avoid these pitfalls and build a sustainable financial future. By the end of this video, you'll gain a new perspective on wealth management and actionable strategies to secure your financial future. It's time to take control and ensure that your wealth grows, not diminishes. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. We're here to share the secrets and strategies to accelerate your journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Emotional investing. Ever felt the rush of making a big investment decision based on excitement or fear? Emotional investing is like riding a roller coaster blindfolded. It's thrilling in the moment, but it often leads to financial disaster. This is the fastest way of losing wealth because it bypasses rational decision-making and prioritizes short-term emotions over long-term financial goals. People often make the mistake of buying stocks when the market is euphoric, only to panic sell during downturns. This cycle erodes their wealth over time. To resolve this, start by developing a disciplined investment strategy. Set clear goals and stick to them, regardless of market fluctuations. Warren Buffett exemplifies this approach. He built his fortune by investing patiently in undervalued companies, ignoring market noise. Investing is like sailing. It requires navigation skills, patience, and the ability to weather storms without losing sight of your destination. Number 2. Neglecting asset protection. Here's a scary thought. You can build wealth for 20 years and lose it all in 20 minutes. Just because you didn't protect what you owned. That's how dangerous neglecting asset protection can be. It's not about being rich, it's about staying rich. And unfortunately, most people don't realize this until it's too late. One lawsuit, one accident, one bad partnership. That's all it takes to wipe out everything you've built. Most people are so busy chasing more money that they forget to guard the money they already have. They leave their businesses, properties, and savings vulnerable. No legal structure, no insurance, no contingency plan. The effect? A single medical emergency or legal claim turns their empire into dust. Wealth without protection is like building a mansion with no doors. Any storm, thief, or accident can ruin you. Create legal shields, LLCs, insurance, trusts. Don't just grow money, guard it fiercely. Number 3. Debt-fueled lifestyles. Here's a question to chew on. Are you really wealthy or just wearing wealth on EMIs? Debt-fueled lifestyles are one of the fastest shortcuts to long-term poverty, and yet people proudly walk this road every day, driving fancy cars they don't own, wearing brands they can't afford, dining like royalty with credit cards they'll cry about later. Morgan Housel writes in The Psychology of Money, "Spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money." People max out credit cards for vacations, buy iPhones on EMI, and lease luxury cars to feel successful. But what they don't realize is they're trading future freedom for present validation. Over time, interest piles up, stress kicks in, and dreams like owning a home or starting a business drift further away. Real wealth whispers. It doesn't scream through logos, leased cars, or monthly EMIs. Kill the debt. Live below your means. Buy freedom, not flashy things. A debt-driven lifestyle is like sugar. It gives you a quick high, but slowly eats you alive if you don't control it. Number 4. Failing to adapt to changing circumstances. What if your biggest financial loss isn't from a bad investment, but from refusing to change? One of the fastest ways people lose wealth today is by failing to adapt to changing circumstances, holding on to old habits, outdated skills, or past success, as if the world around them hasn't evolved. Money follows adaptability. The world is moving fast. AI, digital payments, market shifts, new skills. But many people are still stuck in the "what worked before" mindset. In Who Moved My Cheese, Spencer Johnson writes, "If you do not change, you can become extinct." And that's exactly what happens. People ignore trends, don't upgrade their financial strategies, or resist learning new tools. The result? They get left behind. Adaptation isn't optional. It's financial survival. Stay curious, learn new skills, Upgrade your thinking before the world forces you to. Number 5. The high cost of ignoring tax efficiency. You could be working hard, investing smart, and still losing wealth every year, just because you ignored how taxes eat into your money. Tax inefficiency is like a hidden leak in your financial bucket. Most people don't see it until it empties everything they've built. The rich don't just earn more, they keep more, legally. James, a small business owner in California, hired a tax strategist, restructured his business as an S-corp, and started writing off legitimate business expenses. Over 5 years, he saved nearly $150,000 in taxes and reinvested that into real estate, building a passive income stream that now covers his lifestyle. You don't need to earn more. You need to leak less. Learn tax rules like you learn investment hacks. Number 6. The trap of wanting it now. Here's something wild. The biggest thief of your future wealth isn't inflation or taxes. It's your need for now. That dopamine rush from clicking buy now, swiping the credit card, or chasing quick wins is silently robbing you of something far more powerful: compound wealth and peace of mind. Instant gratification feels good in the moment, but it's the slow poison of financial growth. Wealth isn't built by doing big things occasionally, but by doing the right things consistently and resisting the wrong temptations daily. Giving in to instant pleasure is like eating candy while ignoring vegetables. You enjoy it now, but pay for it later. Wealth works the opposite. Discipline tastes bitter today, but pays sweet dividends forever. Number 7. Pressure secretly keeps you broke. Ever wondered why so many people stay broke, even with decent salaries? Because they're chasing approval instead of chasing assets. The need to keep up with friends, colleagues, or influencers pushes you into a financial race you never agreed to run. A young engineer in New Jersey skipped partying every weekend like his friends. He took online investing courses instead, started a dividend stock portfolio at 24, and by 32 bought his first duplex, fully paid. Morgan Housel says, spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. Approval is temporary. Assets are permanent. Impress your future, not your followers. Number 8. Neglecting financial education. You could spend 16 years in school and still not learn a single thing about money. Most people know how to solve algebra, but don't know how to read a bank statement. And that's exactly how wealth slips through their fingers, silently, painfully, and predictably. A single mom in Texas started learning about ETFs, Roth IRAs, and budgeting through YouTube and books. She went from drowning in debt to owning her first home and becoming debt-free in under a decade. If you don't understand how money works, someone who does will always take it from you. Ignoring financial education is like driving a Ferrari blindfolded. It doesn't matter how powerful your income is, you'll crash without control. Learn or be led. Wealth isn't solely about income. It's about the decisions you make daily. By recognizing and avoiding these pitfalls, you can safeguard your financial future. Remember, every choice counts. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and let your wealth journey be intentional and resilient. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing wealth.